So, connecting DBeaver to the WordPress.org MySQL database presents an excellent opportunity to learn and practice SQL skills. This setup gives us an online cloud database where data can persist. The prerequisite is to already have a WordPress.org website with Bluehost. If you have that, then you're all ready to go with this tutorial. If not, you can just stick to the local installation of MySQL. So, to get a nice MySQL database that is sitting on Bluehost, we can go to Bluehost and go down to cPanel. And there you have Manage. Click on that. Then you can scroll down in cPanel. To the MySQL databases part, and here you can create a new database. I will give it this name here, 3HDevDB1. And then click Create, and it will create the MySQL database. Let's just go back a little bit. And then here we can create a user for the database. And give it a password. And retype the password here. And then we create the user. Now scroll down and add the user to the database. Like this. Click Add. And then you have to choose what you want. I'm just going to choose everything. And make that change. Then go back. And then, there. You can see you've assigned the user to the database. Now back into cPanel. Then, go down to Databases again. And this time go to Remote MySQL. Before we go into there, actually, let's go into this web page. What is my IP? And get my IP. The IPv4 and copy that, and then paste it into that place we were going to go into. The Remote MySQL part, paste it into there, and click that to add the host. That will allow you to connect in, and then you will see the IP address here. So now we're going to use DBeaver to connect in. So go in and choose MySQL, click Next. Then on here choose URL. And using the same format of the web page and the database name. On the top there, put in the username, the user we created just now. And the password that goes with it. And test the connection. And that's okay. Then finish. When you do that, you should see that you can also change the name of the connection, because we don't want it to be called localhost. So actually, I'm going to change it again, to begin with MySQL, here, so that I know that it's a MySQL connection. Click OK here, and then you can go to this place here. Just this drop down here, and it will start to connect. And now you can see it will expand. That's the database, and these are the tables in here. But there aren't any tables because it's a blank database. No tables, no views. But what we can do here for a quick demo is just import some data. So we can just import a simple small CSV that I have here. And you can just go through the wizard like this. So it's a CSV with column headers. And it will come up with this first, but then you just reconnect. Click Yes. And it will go through these things, and then it will create the table here that you can see here, a table with columns. 3 columns, a small table, and then we can do a select on that table. Select all from album, semicolon, and run from here. And in a few seconds, the data will come back. And here we have the table. So that is how you use DBeaver to connect to a MySQL database. That's on your Bluehost, so it's an online database.